What's going on, everybody? Today's going to be part 3 of our 71 Buick Skylark heads cam build. Today I'm going to go ahead and start getting this cam in and get the heads bolted on. I'm going to go ahead and get started on this, try to record some of the process. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Alright, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and get this crank pulley off. I got to get this bolt off and then go ahead and take the crank pulley puller and pull her out. That's that. Alright, once you got your crank pulley off and you're done fighting that, you're going to go ahead and remove all of your 10mm bolts from around your timing cover. They go around, and then there's a few down here at the bottom that you're going to want to get that attached to the oil pan. Once we get that done, I'll be back with you. Alright, once you got all those bolts removed, then you can gently take a pry bar or flathead and you break this loose from the engine. Go ahead and pull your timing cover off, and then you can access cam gear and timing chain. Alright, before you get started pulling anything, you want to put your crank pulley bolt back in and go ahead and turn it over until your number 1 cylinder is top dead center. Then we're going to go ahead and pull these lifters out. It's these two 10mm bolts, and you pull out the lifter holders or whatever the hell they're called. Then your lifter should slide out, as long as it's not a really old beat up motor. They normally come out pretty easy. We're going to get started on that and I'll be back with you. Alright, now you go ahead and remove the 3 bolts for your upper timing gear, and then we're going to go ahead and remove these 4 10mm bolts to remove the camshaft retainer plate. Once we do that, we can go ahead and pop the cam out and put the new one in. Again, just to let you know, in order to get the cam out, you have to pull out the camshaft position sensor or it will not come out. You risk breaking your camshaft position sensor. Now that we got our old cam out, you can see there's a pretty decent amount of difference there. Now we got our cam all lubed up, we're going to go ahead and slide her on in there. Sometimes it helps if you twist her around a little bit, get it lined up. You want to go nice and slow. You don't want to risk damaging the cam bearings or the cam itself. There she goes. In there nice and deep like. Alright, now that we got our new cam in, we got my camshaft retainer plate back on, timing gear. It's hard to see, but there's a timing mark down there on the bottom cam gear. You want to make sure that it lines up, and make sure it lines up with that dot right there. Those 2 dots should line up together. Alright, now that we got the timing cover back on, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the front of this motor and then get the crank pulley back on. And we're going to get started on the heads. Alright, now it's all cleaned up. Looks a lot better. Got our new gaskets today. We're going to go ahead and get started on the heads, get the flywheel on. We got our new mounts in and our torque converter spacer. We're going to go ahead and start trying to get this thing together. Alright, got our heads on, torque down. Go ahead and get the rockers, push rods in, start putting the intake on, get this thing together. Alright, we got it all together. Everything's looking good. Real quick, I wanted to go over you what mounts we're using. We got the LSX adjustable swap plates. We got our stock clamshells, and we got brand new mounts for the frame. They had some mounts welded to the frame previously. We went ahead and ordered the right stuff. That way it just bolts right in and we don't have no problems later on. But pretty much this is going to wrap it up for the end of today's video. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Y'all have a good day.